Hello YouTube, this car came in, this is a Ford F-250. It came in with a lack of power and big exhaust leak. So what we figured out in this one, it was the exhaust pipe, the one that connects to the turbo. This one was completely broke, two-piece, so all the boost for the turbo was escaping through here. It had no power at all. And you can see we already replaced all the pipes, these three. And the only way to get to these pipes, either you have to remove the transmission or you have to remove the cab. So in this case we choose to remove the cab because to do the transmission on the floor is a pain in the ass. I'm sorry, it's a pain. So this is a four-wheel drive, and that's all you have to, and the only way you're gonna have to do it is through the back. You might be able to unbolt it from without removing the cab, but to take it out and to put it back in, there's no way. Let me show you guys the pipes. This is the main pipe that was broke and all the boost was escaping through here. So the lack of power was because of this. So we replaced all the other ones because if one breaks, that means the other ones they will too. Alright guys, if you guys want to find out how to remove the cab, I have another video in my channel. Go ahead and check it out. And please leave comments guys. I hope I helped someone out there with this video. Don't forget to subscribe.